Welcome to the Kartódromo Arena Itu, one of Brazil's premier karting circuits, nestled in the city of Itu, São Paulo. Since its inauguration in 1994 by the Schincariel family, this track has been a true icon in Brazilian motorsport. The main circuit stretches 1,140 meters in length and 7 meters wide, combining fast straights with technical corners. The infrastructure is impressive: 60 enclosed garages, a 1,500-seat grandstand, helipad, parking for over 1,300 vehicles, plus restaurants, medical care, and more. Safety is a top priority here, with well-placed tire barriers and runoff zones keeping racers protected at high speeds. Its modular layout offers over 20 different configurations, ideal for all levels of competition and training. The track regularly hosts major events like the Brazilian Kart Championship and the iconic 24 Hours rental kart race. That event alone brings in over 400 drivers from across the country in a thrilling non-stop team endurance challenge. In 2023, the venue launched the first ever Festival de Kart Itu, 4 races packed into one epic day. This festival was designed to give fans and racers a full-on adrenaline experience from start to finish. Many rising stars of Brazilian motorsport have honed their skills here. This place is a launchpad for racing careers. From rental karting to professional leagues, Arena Itu continues to shape the future of the sport. And it's not just about racing, it's about passion, community, and the thrill of every lap. The combination of technical design and top-tier amenities makes this one of the best tracks in Latin America. Whether you're behind the wheel or watching from the stands, there's always action at Arena Itu. So next time you think of karting in Brazil, remember this place, where speed meets tradition. Thanks for flying along with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more aerial adventures.